I would be showing you the proposed solution for the popcorn hackathon I have been creating. And the application is called Doculoader. The problem statement here is related to the documents handling, mostly the uploading and attaching the documents to the related portfolios or the records which are to be shown or shared with the stakeholders like the clients and other internal team members. For example, the functional problem statement here are the companies who deal like financial insurance services, who process documents in bulk for clients, partners, and internal teams. Salesforce does not have or provide a way to do it easily and as a reliable solution. Though there is a standard file or upload component, but it has limitations which you can see here, like it cannot be invoked programmatically, which is required a lot of times when we are building a complex solution or business requirements from these the technical environments. And the second one is the number of files which can be simultaneously uploaded are maximum 25 with this standard component, and we cannot go beyond that. The Also, we cannot set the maximum file size for uploading if you want to control the maximum file size which end user can upload to Salesforce, because the space in Salesforce organization is not cheap, so we should also be taking care of that. And if you have any content version custom fields, and a lot of projects do have it, you cannot easily populate it until and unless you create custom fields with an API name appended with file upload double underscore C, which is a requirement and from the base component provided by Salesforce. Also, there is no possibility to review the files and records to which the documents will be uploaded before the end user proceeds for the upload. This is really important because in institutions which deal with financial insurance services, you cannot share a uh, private document with a wrong customer, and that would have very high risk and can also lead to legal issues. So the end user should have a way to review the documents before uploading, to check how or to which portfolios the documents are related to. Here, portfolios are nothing but the different financial portfolios maintained by companies in a financial sector. For example, a portfolio can be a real estate portfolio where the customer has invested in real estate, can be venture capital, can also be related to fixed deposits and other things. So the proposed solution has these features, which allows to bulk upload the documents, and also to allow the user to upload the portfolio documents related to the portfolio type, and also based on the name of the files. The end user can also review the documents before uploading, and also after they are uploaded they can review that the uploads have been done correctly, and if not, they can take further action. The technologies used here are obviously Salesforce and the Salesforce provided LWC, VF Pages, Apex classes, subject collection APIs, and the industry vertical, like I said, it can be used in financial services, insurance, and any other industry where dealing with documents is required. And this solution can be utilized by any end user which do not have coding experience. It is built in such a way that the customer support team, asset management team, consultant, administrators can easily use it. So the solution here is here. This is the trial log which I have set up, and these are the portfolios. I have created about 800 or maybe 600 to 700 portfolios for test purposes, which are related to only one account. And this is the application which I have built. So here you can see that the user can upload either with the file name or with the portfolio type. So to give you, so let's upload with portfolio type. What it would do is we would select here real estate and would choose the document type. Suppose these are documents related to bank, with which we have opened the customer's account. And the description would be quarterly reports, and the published date would be the date on which the document was generated. You can choose here as many number of files as you want, and this is also this tool also supports bulk uploading like I mentioned. So let's try with this one now. Let's try with this screen, or let's try with two files, but it would take a lot of time, so let's try only with one file right now. Okay, so on the right hand side you would see the upload status, where it would show you all error messages or the progress. So here it says you have to select the files to upload. Let me go with private equity and see. I click the review button. In the background it's checking, it's reviewing the files, and now you can see that there are total 172 files. How there are 172 files? Because in Salesforce we have 172 portfolios which are of private equity type. So we want a common document which can be related to any promotions or any general guidance which we want to share with our clients who have bought the private equity portfolio with us. So we upload one file to all the portfolios so that the clients can see it. So here the end user can see the review status as a green tick. If there is any error, he would see a red cross. He can also open the portfolio directly by clicking it. So I have opened it here. Yes, so the portfolio 205 related to account ACME. This is the portfolio type and the portfolio number. Portfolio number is unique to every portfolio, and he can also delete the records, or you can say yes, the records for whom he does not want to upload the portfolio. So you can also see the number of files changing here. Right now it's 167, now it's 166, and now it's 165. So let's upload it. He clicks the confirm button and just sits here seeing the progress of batch. So right now it's the maximum files which we can upload in a batch is 200, since the total number is less than 200. So it is only one batch. So you can see processing batch 1 out of 1, the size of files in each batch, and in all the size of all files. You can see here the upload progress. Right now it's processing the files on server, which is nothing but uploading the files, and then you would see it, a new message appearing here when the progress goes on. Here in the upload status you can see a question mark, which shows that these files have not been processed yet. This would take some time because I am on a mobile hotspot connection, which is a bit slow, and since it is 34 MB, it would take some time. But if you are on a very good internet connection, it all depends on the internet connection speed you have. In the meanwhile, what I will do is I will show you the other scenario where it is uploading with file name. So here you can select, for example, real estate, contract, annual financial, published date. Let's put it 1st of December. And here what it does is you have to put in a specific naming convention to the files. I have put it the portfolio ID, which is unique, P001 underscore doc, then P0011. So let's select this. So I've selected 5 files. You can see here, I'll click on review. So you can see there are total 5 files, and successfully reviewed are 3, and there are errors in 2 files. So here you can see that 2 of them have errored out, and you can also see the error. So it says that duplicate portfolio is found with the key P0001, and it also shows the IDs of the portfolios. So you can go this, so you know that there are multiple portfolios with a unique, which doesn't have a unique ID. So the end user would not be able to proceed with the upload. He has to either rectify the error or just delete the record here. And the second, and it also updates the files here. Right now there are only 4 files and only one of them is in error, and the error here is the portfolio not found for this key. So the key is nothing but the record, the unique ID. Since the file name doesn't follow the naming convention, which is the unique ID underscore whatever string the user wants, so it could not find the related portfolio. Let's delete this. Right now we have only 3 files left and they are all successfully reviewed. You can see the tick mark here. We can proceed with the confirm upload, and this would take less time because the file size is very less. You see here, you get the notification total files 3, files uploaded successfully are 3. You can also see the upload request completed here. You can see the tick marks upload status, which is green ticks. If there was any error, you would see a red cross and would see the errors appearing here. You can, from this is the upload, this is the result table where the user can now review again. So for example, he wants to check did he upload the correct file to portfolio 23. He can directly go to the document record. Yeah, so you see here the name is auto generated, the description which we have selected, the document name, the type, the published date, and it is related to portfolio 3. If you want to check the file, you can directly check here. Also, he can directly click the attachment, which is nothing but the content version which was uploaded to the file here. So this also serves as a review after uploading the files. And let's go back to here, and you can see that all the 160 files have been processed correctly with no errors. And here you see the green tick mark. You can also see the document attachment, open the portfolio. For example, I would like to see portfolio 366. I would go there, and in the related I can see the document which was uploaded. You can see the date, which is 5th of December. I can upload, check the document record, and this is the file. So this is the whole solution which I have built, which provides a beautiful way for the people to mass upload, bulk upload files or documents to any industry which deals with documents, and is really reliable, I would say. And this can be easily extended based on the business requirements, how you want to attach the documents, how you want to control the maximum size of the documents, the number of files in each batch. You can also control that. Also, you can populate the custom fields in content version. For example, I can show you here. When I open this file, I have set I have already set a custom field called source on the content version, which is set to Doculoader here. So this is set automatic, not automatically, but programmatically. So you can programmatically call this solution I have built, populate fields, and do a lot of processing here. Thank you.